Okay, hey guys, this is your vocabulary section A for your assignment that goes with your 8 ways to be happy in a difficult situation article that was assigned to you today. This part of it is due tomorrow at 3 p.m. despite what those directions say right there, so I need to change that. But I just wanted to show you that it's real simple to do this. You guys have all done this, but it's just a refresher. So your first word is adversity. You can come over here to dictionary.com. It can be so simple, guys. You can highlight the word adversity, right click it, copy it, and then paste it into dictionary.com, hit enter, and it gives you the definition: adverse or unfavorable fortune or fate, a condition marked by misfortune, calamity, or distress. And you can even highlight, whoa. Okay, so let's try that again. You can highlight, right click it, copy it, go back to your vocabulary document, right click in the box, click paste, and it puts it in there for you. And then I'm just a color person, you guys know that, so I would change it to a different color so it kind of sets out. So that's what you're going to do for each of those 10 vocabulary words that come out of that article.